Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on this platform by completing simple tasks. Okay, so this platform is actually a freelance platform, but trust me, even if you don't have any skills to freelance, you're still gonna be making money on this platform. Okay, so all you're just gonna be doing is to complete simple tasks like liking posts or follow people on Instagram, follow people on Twitter, watch YouTube videos, subscribe to YouTube channels. By doing all this, you're gonna be making money on this platform. Okay, so let me quickly walk you through how you can get this done. Okay, so first thing first, you're going to sign up on the platform. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping the link to sign up in the description of this video. Okay, so once you just sign up, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Okay, so what you want to do is to click on this three dashboard thing right here. Okay, so once you click on it, it's gonna pop up with some options. So right here you can see this is my name, you can see my dashboard, you can see tags, you can see payments, tickets, how to invite friends, play and win, and all that. Okay, so right here what you want to do is to click on tags. Okay, so once you click on tags, it's gonna show up some list of tags that are available for that moment. Okay, so right here you can see this is 82 tags available. Okay, so and these are what the tags look like. Okay, so right here you can see this is post like on Instagram 2 naira, this is post like on Instagram 3 naira, this is post like on Instagram. Trust me, you're gonna be making more money than this 2 naira or 3 naira. Okay, so just make sure you watch through everything I'm gonna be showing you in this video. Okay, so right here these are the tags that are available at the moment. Okay, so to just complete them, what you want to do is to just click on any of them. Okay, so once you click on it, it's gonna load, and then direct you to this page. Okay, so this is the place you're just gonna click on. Okay, so once you click on this place, it's gonna direct you to Instagram directly. Okay, so it's gonna show you a page. If it is for to follow the page or you like a post on the page, you're going to see it here. Okay, so make sure you read through it before you try to complete the task. Okay, so once I just click here, it's gonna direct me to my Instagram. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for it to load. Okay, so right here you can see this is the page I'm going to follow on Instagram. So I'm just going to click on this follow button. Okay, so once I just click on it, I'll just go back to my dashboard. Okay, so once I go back to my dashboard, make sure you follow these steps. Okay, so what you want to do is to click on this option right here showing proof of tax. Okay, so once you click on it, it's gonna come up with this option. Okay, so right here you can see they are showing you 12 plus 6. Okay, so 12 plus 6 is actually 18. Okay, so what you want to do is to just come right here and then type in 18. Okay, so once you finish typing in 18, you're just gonna click on finish tax. Okay, so once you click on it, the money is gonna reflect on your dashboard immediately. Okay, so let's see if it's going to. Okay, so right here you can see they are showing us that it has been successfully added. Okay, so let me quickly show you how you can make more money on this platform. Although if you follow these steps, you're still gonna be making money, but trust me, there is another sweet way you can make more money or better money on this platform. So let me quickly check my dashboard and then see how much I have. Okay, so previously we had 43 naira. So right now let me see how much is available. Okay, so right now you can see the 3 naira was added. Okay, you can see it was added. So guys, this platform is actually legit and they have been paying for a very long time and they are still paying till date. Okay, so trust me guys, to get this done you have to put in your social media handles. Okay, so you're just gonna click on this option right here. You're just gonna click on this. Okay, so once you click on this, you're just going to open this page. So what you want to do right now is to click on social accounts. Okay, so right here that is showing social accounts, this is where you're going to put in your Instagram or profile link, your Twitter profile link, your YouTube channel link. Okay, so without doing this you won't be able to perform those tasks. Okay, you can see this option right here showing add new. Okay, so once you just click on it, you must have copied your Instagram social link. Okay, your Instagram profile link. Okay, so if you have copied it, you're just gonna put in your username here and then you put in the profile link here. Okay, so if it is for Twitter, you can just select Twitter and then put in your name here on Twitter and then you put in the link right here and then you click on save. And if it's for YouTube, you're still gonna do the same thing. You just type in your name and then you put in the the link right here. Okay, so after doing all this, you're gonna keep getting more and more tags for you. Okay, so right here I only linked my Instagram page because I just want to use this as a tutorial for you guys. Okay, so guys, this is another thing you can be doing on this platform to make money. You can as well invite your friends to this platform. Okay, so on each withdrawal they make, you're gonna be making 0.67% on every withdrawal your referrals make on this platform. And one sweet thing is, once you get up to 4,000 naira, you can actually withdraw your money directly to your bank account. Okay, so guys, there is another way you can actually make a good amount of money on this platform. Let me quickly show you guys this. Okay, so right here you can see this is the premium package. Okay, it is actually free. They're not going to ask you to pay for it. It is free. So on this premium package you're going to be getting 15 naira per tax. Okay, so for the normal package, the tax you complete right there is just 3 naira, 2 naira, 5 naira, 6 naira. But right here for one tax you can get up to 15 naira, you can get up to 50 naira right here for just one tax. Okay, so to get this, what you just want to do is you must have up to 5,000 naira on your dashboard. Like, you must have withdrawn up to 5,000 naira from this platform. Okay, so once you just withdraw up to 5,000 naira, you can just apply for the premium package and they are gonna just approve it for you, and you can start making a better amount of money for yourself. So guys, you can see it's actually a win-win for you guys. It's actually a win-win. Just make sure you follow all these steps, and then do it for yourself and start. So guys, make sure you try this website out. Okay, if you're finding value in this video already, make sure you hit that like button, and see my video for the first time on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop new videos like this on this channel, you're gonna get notified by YouTube, so you can just watch and start making money for yourself. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna log out and then show you how you can sign up on this platform. Okay, so remember I told you I'm going to be dropping the link to sign up in the description of the video. Okay, so make sure you use that link to save yourself from stress. Okay, so right here you can see this is what the sign up page looks like. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to put in your username right here. Just going to type in a username. Okay, so right here you put in your first name and your last name right here. Okay, so here you put in your email address, and right here you just create a password and then you confirm your password. Okay, here you put in your phone number, and if you just finish doing that, you're just going to scroll down a bit, and then right here you can see it's asking for a referral code. But if you're using my link, it's not going to ask you for any code. Okay, so you're just going to skip this and then register as. So you're just going to click on this drop down button. So once you click on this drop down button, you're going to register as a freelancer. Okay, so once you register as a freelancer, that's when you're going to be getting tax. Okay, but if you register as a client hiring for tax, that means you're going to be the one to provide tax and make people complete it for you. Okay, so right here you're the one who wants to make money, so you're just going to select freelancer looking for work. Okay, so once you just finish that, you just click on register and you're going to be directed to your dashboard immediately. Okay, okay guys, you can actually see this is a very strict warning from the platform. Okay, so if you're trying to perform any task and you didn't complete it and you come back thinking you've outsmart the platform, trust me, your account is going to get banned. Okay, so just make sure you do everything and follow their terms and conditions of working. Okay, so just follow through everything you see on the platform. Okay, don't try to play smart because you're just going to get your account banned, and if they ban your account, you're not going to get paid no matter amount you have on the dashboard already. Okay, so guys, make sure you go try this website out. Okay, try this website out, give it your time, and then trust me, you're not gonna regret it. Okay, so guys, I will say thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.